What is up, you guys? I'm the Central Healer. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, amen. Always remember, some things may or may not resonate, so take what resonates, leave the rest, okay? When I was turning on my tablet here to get this started, I heard someone is scared. That's what I just heard. Okay, so somebody is scared. Somebody is terrified, I just heard. I heard somebody scared, so. Let's see. Well, I guess the overall energy is definitely somebody being scared, so. Let's see here. Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day, amen, okay? Somebody scared of the Empress? So we got the Empress here. Tell us about the Empress. Somebody could be trying to manifest the Empress, or this is the Empress that is manifesting here. Okay, if that's the truth. So this Empress, it could be manifesting here, okay, but somebody could also be trying to manifest in the Empress, okay. So somebody could be, if this Empress is not manifesting, somebody trying to manifest in this Empress here, and that's the truth. Either way, it's the truth, y'all, okay. All right. Maybe that's what's got somebody scared here, okay. Maybe that's got somebody scared. I just heard, no, don't leave me. What? Okay, somebody is scared that either maybe the Empress is going to leave them, or they're going to leave somebody for the Empress. I don't know, y'all. Okay, let's see. Okay, they on the today home, man. Okay. I heard quiet storm. Okay, bye. Somebody was stolen at birth here. It's a little hot today, y'all, amen. So you could be stolen at birth, and somebody was sending people in to stalk you, or somebody that was stolen at birth themselves is sending people in to stalk you here, okay? Somebody's definitely up in this devil energy, okay? Or somebody's just like stalking you. Yeah. Somebody is in this double energy, so somebody's not like stalking you because they could stalk you because they're like obsessed, like really like you, but you know, people are stalking because people are weird. Okay. There's a child molester coach here. Okay, so there's a child molester coach. They're doing some graveyard magic. Let me ask something real. Okay. Somebody could be doing graveyard magic on somebody that's on YouTube, okay? Yeah, so if you have a YouTube channel, they could be doing this to mine. If another person has a YouTube channel, okay? Somebody on YouTube could be doing this, okay? Yeah, somebody's also doing crown chakra manipulation as well here, okay? Because these people got a court case coming soon. Them doing graveyard, I'm just... Okay, so these people doing graveyard magic and crown chakra manipulation is not changing the fact of, like, what these people are doing. Amen. Yeah, these people have energetic parasites here. They could definitely be trying to send that towards somebody as well. They could even be trying to do that off of YouTube as well. So y'all be mindful of that, because these people are, like, trying to be really clever in the way they do things. Yeah, exactly. These people got some mental health issues, okay? And I don't understand what they're not comprehending. You guys are protected by the light and the dark. I mean, okay? You guys are protected by everything, like, okay? Somebody was definitely involved with electronic harassment as well. Okay, we have the letter F. And this is a copycat. Okay, whoever this F person is a copycat. Let me see if it's a male or female. Is this F person a male? This is a female that's a copycat. Alright, so this is a female that's a copycat, okay? Okay, so we got somebody from another city that's involved here as well. These people hate you, right? So what? So I'm picking numbers, stand in line, right? Amen. Stand in line with the rest of them, okay? Because you're still going to do you, as you should. And then these people are still going to do you as well. Okay, so you're going to be doing you, and these people are going to be doing you. Like, what? Okay, somebody's an evil child here, okay? There is a male cop involved here. Is this a good male cop? No. Is this an evil child of a male cop? No. Okay. So yeah, there's an evil child and a dirty male cop, okay? There's a teacher or a librarian or somebody that works in the school system, anybody in the school system, bus driver, somebody in the school system that's involved, okay? And for some of you guys, you have an ex-girlfriend that is stalking you, okay? Here we go. Here we go, y'all, okay? They're stalking you, the FBI is stalking these people, okay? We got somebody from another state that's involved here. Watching you, watching me. And somebody's definitely doing suicide spells as well, okay? These people from another state doing suicide spells. Yeah, they sold their soul. Okay? They sold their soul. It's hot, y'all. So it could be Luciferian, okay? For those of you that are feeling like, maybe you're like, a little tired, maybe headaches, little body aches. You're having ascension symptoms, so it's maybe uncomfortable, but it'll be okay. We have a dirty judge that's involved as well. Amen. We got somebody that drives a Subaru. And, yeah. The world needs you guys. You guys are not going nowhere. These other people, it's another story. They already sold their soul. I mean, they chose to sell their soul. You guys decided to walk in the light. You guys are protected, and you guys are not going nowhere. You guys are the truth. These people don't like that you're the truth here. They could be now crying out for help, okay? The ones that still have a soul to be able to cry out for help, though, amen, like, okay? Yeah, somebody's steady doing some crown chakra manipulation. Actually, let me okay. Always got some weirdos, y'all. Always got some weirdos, amen. Tell us about these weirdos. Okay, so they definitely play with fire and they got burned, okay? So these people, they were playing with fire and they got burned. Oh, snap! Somebody's about to get a new car, so congratulations on that, amen. Oh, snap. And, well, these hoes do rituals. These hoes do rituals every day, y'all, okay? Yeah, they have no boundaries. These hoes that do rituals every day, they got no boundaries, okay? A lot of them are already having legal issues, okay? I'm hearing it. Look, busted. I'm hearing it again. Watching you, watching me, okay? Lilith. I just heard Lilith. So I don't know if somebody's name is Lilith. I don't know if somebody works with Lilith. Lilith, okay? Somebody's definitely ending a relationship as well because there's too many. Somebody's ending a toxic relationship because there's too many problems. Somebody's now in this Five of Pentacles energy. That could be one reason why somebody's ending in a relationship because they're going broke being in this relationship and, you know, besides having way too many problems. Okay, somebody's definitely trying to get somebody locked up as well. That could be another reason why somebody's trying to end a toxic relationship. Okay? Yeah, definitely there's bad news coming for somebody here. Bad news, okay? Ooh, child, amen. Somebody was definitely involved with trying to get somebody shadow banned. Oh, snap, bro. A sex addict. Okay, so there's a sex addict that's trying to get somebody shadow banned. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they're coming after an immortal being. Being. Like, what? Okay, so this karmic female, the sex addict, is coming after an immortal being here, okay? And it's doing a lot of projection, okay? A lot of projection. There could be Aquarius that's involved here. Yikes. Yeah, subpoenas are going out for some people here, so these people are definitely getting caught up. Whatever you do for work, there's definitely co-workers involved in the situation as well, okay? I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Ooh, snap, y'all. Okay. Are they projecting towards this Aquarius here? Is this Aquarius projecting out? Okay, so there's an Aquarius that's doing some projecting, okay? Yeah, these people already can't sleep at night. They already can't sleep at night. Yeah, these people are trying to hold on to money that belongs to you here. They abuse people and animals here. Be proud of yourself, okay, guys, because I'm proud of you. Like, amen. I know your ancestors are proud of you, so be proud of yourself, amen, because I'm proud of you as well. Okay? Six. I just seen the word silicone, so there's something going on with silicone. I don't know, but I just heard silicone. I've seen the word silicone. So, let me just get into these. I don't know what cards I'm going to use, but I'm just getting into these. What? Oh my gosh, bro. I just heard the song something. I heard "Ho Snap." is what I heard. That's why I just started busting out laughing. Bye, Felicia. Okay, so we got the name Felicia coming out. Okay. Okay. So we have Felicia. We have letter R. Bye, Felicia. Are they connected? Is this R a male? This is a female. So we got Felicia and another and a female with the letter R name, okay? Is Felicia a twin? Is this R person a twin? Are these people connected to a twin? Is this physical twins? So Felicia and another female with letter R name is connected to some twins here, okay? Whoa. Is this Grace person connected? Is this a twin? Is Grace connected to these twins, this female's letter R name and Felicia? Okay. Okay, so we also have the name Grace as well coming out. Somebody could think you could definitely have a lot of Grace as well. But this is the name. So Felicia, a female with letter R name, some twins, and Grace. Is Tammy connected to these? Okay, so we also have Tammy as well. Okay. Okay, we have Chelsea. What are these people renting out somebody's house? Chelsea rented out somebody's house? Did somebody rent out Chelsea's house? Okay, Chelsea rented out somebody's house. All these people are connected in some way? Okay, and somebody named Chelsea rented out somebody's house, okay? Did Chelsea rent out this house to the stepmom? Did Chelsea's stepmom rent out this house? Chelsea and the stepmom of Chelsea rent out somebody's house. Okay, so Chelsea and Chelsea's stepmom rented out somebody's house, okay? Or did they rent out a house to somebody that's an heir to a fortune? Is Chelsea an heir to a fortune? Is the stepmom an heir to a fortune? They rent out a house that's supposed to be somebody that's an heir to a fortune. Okay, yeah, so these people the stepmom, Chelsea and the stepmom rent out a house that, belongs to somebody that's an heir to a fortune. Watching you. Okay. Neither one? Alright, let's keep going. Oh. Somebody's a junkie. Felicia. This our female. Who else we got down here? Tammy. Grace. Tammy's a junkie. Is Chelsea a junkie? Is his stepmom a junkie? Okay, yeah. Oh, bro. Is Tabitha heir to a fortune? Is Tabitha a junkie? Okay. So somebody named Tabitha is a junkie here, okay? It's sticking. No. Alright, let's see what else. Is this somebody with a pink vehicle, pink hair, the nickname Pink, or something having to do with pink? So like the nickname Pink? Is that this Tabitha person? Okay, is this connected in some way? Is this pink person a junkie? Okay, so this pink person is also a junkie, okay? Is somebody in the island right now? Is this connected? Okay, so there's something with the islands here. We'll find out. Okay? Oh. Is somebody in the islands? Somebody's from the islands. Okay, somebody's from the islands. Is somebody in Massachusetts? So there's something going on with Massachusetts as well. Okay. So there's something with the islands. There's something with Massachusetts. And we also have the name Jessica coming out as well. Okay. What is all this? Okay. Why? Is this a male? This is a female. Is this connected to Jessica? Is this connected to the islands? Okay, so this person, this white female, is connected to somebody named Jessica. Whoa. Benny's connected? Okay. So we have Benny as well. Okay, it's something significant about Wednesday. Okay, yeah, whatever they're doing, enough is enough. Like, Spirit's, like, tired of these people. So whatever they're doing, enough is enough, okay? So we got Felicia. We got a female with letter R name. We have some twins. We have Grace and we have Tammy. Okay. Well, all these people right here are connected to something here, okay? We also have Chelsea and Chelsea's stepmom, okay? Chelsea and the stepmom rented out a house that belongs to somebody here. That's an heir to a fortune. So they're definitely, I guess, like keeping this. Somebody's got somebody's money, got somebody's fortune, sold somebody's house, rented out the house. Will this heir to a fortune get their money and their house back? So this person will get their house and their money back. Or all these people were involved in taking this from somebody. So yeah, all these people were involved in this, okay? So Felicia, a female with letter R, named some twins. Grace, Tammy, Chelsea, and the stepmom. But Chelsea and the stepmom, like I said, rented out somebody's house. Somebody's the heir to a fortune. All these people were involved with taking this and renting this stuff out to people when they had no right to, because it wasn't theirs from the get-go, okay? We have somebody named Tabitha. This is a junkie here, okay? The color pink for a nickname is significant. Somebody's from the islands, okay? There's something going on with the islands, or somebody's from the islands. Something significant about Massachusetts as well. We also have the name Jessica that's involved in the situation. A female with the letter Y name, okay? Benny, okay? And these people done something on Wednesday, okay? And Spirit's like tired of these people. They're like, enough is enough. Like, y'all people just need to knock it off and get your life right, get your mind right. Apparently these people don't want to do this, but the Most High Judgment God Source will bring judgment either way. So, I mean, these people are not getting away with nothing. Alright, you guys, that's what I got for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. Y'all have a blessed day, amen, okay?